Hello, Marcus Boston. Quick video today, and what I would like to talk with you today about is time frames for birth injury cases. A lot of times we have individuals, and when they contact us, one question is, well, how long will this take? I mean, how long will this process take? And so I want to help you understand that when we're talking about birth trauma and birth injury cases, that this is something that is, in general, it's not going to be done in a couple of weeks or a couple of months. These cases can take years in some instances to get to a conclusion. That conclusion can either be a settlement through some type of mediation or through a jury trial. And so I want to help you understand that there's a lot of moving pieces for these cases, and a lot of times they are heavy expert driven. You need a lot of experts in these cases, and that is because the law will require that you have to have experts who will testify as to what was the standard of care for your baby. If you've got a birth trauma and you're suing on behalf of your baby, you're going to need experts that'll talk about the standard of care, and you're going to have to talk about causation and damages. And a lot of this is because under the law, specifically in Maryland, you have to show that the treating doctor or medical professional, that they deviated or they departed from the standard of care which caused the injury or the harm. And you do this by getting other medical experts who will testify or who will give opinions as to these issues. So it's not enough just to say, well, my baby was injured, and so because of this injury, that must have been medical malpractice. No, you have to have medical experts who will testify and who will give these opinions. And this can take some time to get all of this together, to get these pieces together for these cases to move forward. So if you're thinking about moving forward with a case like this, you've got to understand that these cases, in some instances, they can take years to be able to get through these types of cases. So it's just better to understand that this is something that's not going to be done essentially overnight. If you have more questions or you want to talk to me further, there's a telephone number on the screen. Go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. Remember, I practice law here in the state of Maryland. If you're not in Maryland and you contact me, understand that I have to use what we call co-counsel or local counsel. In other words, an attorney in your state. And that's something that we can help you try to work with that. But I just want to make sure that you understand that co-counsel or that local counsel aspect of things. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston. I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we'll see you next time. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.